So let's talk about what happens if you have a to the m times a to the n. And let's just, to make things easier, say that m and n are positive integers. So just positive whole numbers. And we want to see what this product's going to be. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go straight to the definition. A to the m means what? Well, a to the m means a times a times a whole bunch of a's together. How many a's in total? M a's. Okay. Now, a to the n means a times a times a times a whole bunch of times. How many times? N times. So if we put all of this together, how many a's do we have? Well, we have m a's here, and we have n a's here. So how many a's do we have in total? Well, if we have m apples and somebody gives us n apples, we have m plus n apples. So if we have m a's and somebody gives us n a's and we put them all together, what do we have? We have m plus n total a's. And by the definition of a to the m plus n, what we end up with is a to the m plus n. So we get this rule, a to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n. Now what you just saw here is a mathematical proof. This is not a proof-based class. However, I wanted to show you why this works and how this works, because sometimes it's possible to forget what one of the rules are. Now, even if you completely forget the rule, you don't remember this at all, your mind goes blank on a test or a quiz or something like that, if I have something like a squared times a cubed, what I can do is I can remember how this worked. A squared is just 2a's. A cubed is just 3a's. So I have 2a's times 3a's. How many a's do I have in total? 5 a's. So it's good to remember this rule. If you forget it, don't worry. Just work from the definition and you can still get to the answer.